Google Veo 3 is literally breaking the internet. This amazing AI video generator creates videos like a pro. You can't even differentiate between real and AI. The video generated by Google Veo 3 is really amazing. However, if you think Veo 3 is now the king, then you may want to think twice because a new competitor has entered the market. I am talking about Kling 2.1. Yes, Kling AI has brought a new update, and the result it produces is giving tough competition. So, which one is better? In this video, I'm going to break it down. So, subscribe to our channel and watch the video till the end. Alright, let's start the showdown. I have already collected some prompts to generate videos using both video generators. I will put the prompts for you in the pinned comment. Okay, basically, we will generate videos with the same prompt using both video generators and then compare them. Okay, let's start. I am copying the first prompt. Now, come to your Gemini Pro account. If you want to know how to generate videos using Gemini Pro and Veo 3, then you can watch this video from the I button. Okay, I am selecting the video option from here and then pasting the prompt in the prompt box. Now, to generate the video, hit the send button, as it will take some time, so in that time, I will generate videos using the Kling AI 2.1 model. This is the Kling AI homepage. You can create both images and videos on Kling AI. As I will create videos, I am selecting video from here. This is the Kling AI video generator interface. At this moment, the 2.1 model is only available for the image to video generator. If you want to generate video from text prompts, then come to the text to video generator tab and select the Kling 2.1 master model from here. Now we have to enter the prompt here in this box. You can see that Kling AI is now integrated with DeepSeek, and you can generate a detailed prompt simply from your basic idea. You will find some inspiration and presets also. You can use them to create amazing videos from only basic prompts. As we will compare results with Veo 3, I am only pasting the prompt I used in Google Veo 3. Okay, after entering the prompt, you can enter negative prompts here in this box. As there is no option to enter negative prompts on Veo 3, I won't use this. Next, you can set the video duration. As Veo will generate an 8-second long video, I am selecting 10 from here. Next, set the aspect ratio. Veo 3 generates video only in landscape ratio, but here you can generate portrait square ratio video along with landscape. In the end, you can set the number of video clips you want to generate. Once everything is set, hit the generate button. It will take some time to generate the video. In that time, let's see the result of Veo 3. This is the Google Veo 3 generated video clip.
Snarl.
And as usual, the quality of the video is just amazing. It looks like a video released by Marvel Studios. The visuals are great, and the camera work is amazing. There is not a single morphing. And the sound? It sounds like professional teamwork. This is really, really amazing. Now, let's see the result of the Kling 2.1 generated video. And here is the result. Honestly speaking, this is a decent video. The visuals are good, the motion is subtle, I can't see any morphing, and the camera work is also top-notch. But I didn't get what I wanted. It actually created two versions of Spider-Man, not Venom. And the cinematic value is missing. And yes, it didn't generate any sound effects or BGM for the scene, while Veo 3 produces high-quality BGM and sound effects. However, on Kling, you can generate sound effects using this AI sound feature. Once you select the tool, your interface will look like this. Kling AI is analyzing the video. Once done, it will generate the sound description. Now, hit the generate button. It will generate 4 variations of the video. Let's have a look. All the clips are good. However, I think Veo generates better results than Kling AI. Okay, now I will generate another video. This is basically a video of two spies talking at a subway. I am entering the prompt on the Veo 3 prompt box and then hitting the send button. And now I will create a video with the same prompt using Kling AI with the same settings. And here it is. This is the Veo 3 generated video clip.
What do you have?
The package has arrived, but there's been a complication.
This is amazing. It seems like a movie scene. You can see that both characters are talking here with a perfect BGM. And the lip sync is very natural. The visuals and camera work are also very good. Now let's have a look at the Kling AI generated video. As Kling AI can't generate the lip sync directly, I will click here to create a lip sync. This is the lip sync generator interface. Now, you can enter the text or upload the voiceover to create lip sync. I am entering a text line. You can set the voice actor from here. Once everything is set, hit the generate button. And here it is, the video is ready.
They know about Berlin. We are compromised.
This is a decent lip sync video. However, you can notice that only one character is talking here. You can't create multiple character lip sync on Kling. However, on Kling, you can create lip sync with a consistent voice actor, while on Veo 3, you don't have any control over the voice actor. Okay, now let's see the anime video creation capability. I have already written a prompt for a Pixar-style animation video. I am copying the prompt. First, I will create a video using Veo 3. After that, I will create another video using the Kling 2.1 model. And this is the Veo 3 generated video.
You always take the long route.
That's where the fun is.
It's a perfect Pixar-style animation video. However, this is not a top-notch video. As per my observation, Veo 3 is more powerful in generating cinematic videos than anime. What do you think? Let me know in the comments section. Okay, now let's have a look at the Kling AI generated video. This is the video generated by Kling 2.1 Master, and I think this time, Kling beat Veo 3. The video quality is better than Veo 3 if you consider the dialogue or lip sync. Okay, now let's try to generate a multi-shot video using both Veo and the Kling model. This is a prompt for a multi-shot video. First, I will generate the video using Veo 3, and then I will generate the same video using the Kling 2.1 Master model. Our videos are ready. Let's have a look at it. This is the Veo 3 generated video clip. This is really amazing. You can see it generates 2 shots in one single video. And the quality is also good. The only problem is this text. I wanted this text on the phone screen. I know it was so complicated. And this is the Kling AI generated video clip. The video quality is good. However, you can see some unusual movement in the video, and it's not a multi-shot video. In conclusion, both of the video generators can produce high-quality videos. But, to generate cinematic video clips with proper sound effects and BGM, Veo 3 is ahead of Kling. However, Kling can produce better anime videos than Veo 3, and Veo 3 can generate high-quality multi-shot videos, while Kling cannot. Another big issue with Kling is, it takes much more time than Veo 3 to generate the video. So, if you need more control, then you can use Kling 2.1. And if you need high-quality videos with sound effects, then use Google Veo 3. And if you want to generate high-quality voiceover at a low cost, don't forget to try DupDub. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about Veo 3 versus Kling 2.1 model. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.